Okay, so friggin' Dick, the crossover pipe on the GN fucking just blown off. Got a big crack in it. That's what she sounds like.